Yeah, I think this year's TIFTIS will give the Danish companies, which is who we represent, a good opportunity to meet other collaborative partners in China. The trade-in services is a very important part of the economy, and that's true in Denmark and in China as well, globally as well. And I think in this COVID times, we have seen the tourism sector be hard hit, but we've also seen the importance of some other sectors, such as the medicine services, and I think some of those are what we are happy to be here and promote from our members.
Hope. That's the best opportunity now for everybody. We need hope, and service and electronic e-commerce is very good.
The number of opportunities are really very huge because this is worldwide. The eyes of the entire world are in this so important. I was surprised when that will be launched the new stock market. Wow, that's something really big. It was kind of an invitation for everyone to come and invest in this new market.